Here for Habersham County Emergency Services, we run fire EMS rescue and community paramedicine for a county of about 53,000 people. It's a very, very busy service. We had merged back in March of 2018. So with that merge, neither the ambulance service or the fire department had a good system of staffing. It was all done really haphazardly on paper. So we created a Word document for staffing that had to be updated every day, cut and paste, and for our battalion chiefs and captains, very time consuming. You had to email it out to everybody. Anytime there was an update, we email it to the other fire departments in the county so they know we respond with them and they need to know who our personnel is for accountability on emergency scenes. So we looked at some other software companies that I was familiar with, but the cost was it was too high for our budget. I believe I sent them an email to inquire. I got an immediate call. We talked about our needs for the county, and with that call they said, what about if you send us the names of all your people, what shift, what trucks, we'll set up a demo site and you test it, play around with it for a month or so. What do you have to lose? Immediately we saw the advantages of taking a tremendous amount of time off of our shift supervisors. This allows our employees to go on their smartphone or computer, put in for a vacation day, it immediately goes to their supervisor. They can look and approve that or disapprove it. Time swaps where one person might work for another one tomorrow and they pay them back a different day. We had no idea when we purchased it. We were purchasing staffing software. All the other components that come with this just blew us away. I mean, we have streamlined so many processes we do into one system, Aladtec, that it has made life so much easier. There's a form maker. Every truck's checked daily, bumper to bumper. All of our forms for that now is in Aladtec. As I said, we're a very busy service. We have ran 4 24-hour ambulances and 1 10-hour ambulance Monday through Friday for years. We run out of ambulances almost every single day due to the call volume in our out-of-county transports. We had been not the best at keeping that data. So we created a form that the supervisors can do in less than a minute. We put Aladtec together with this. We kept the data for 2 months and we started budget hearings. We simply showed the commissioners and the county administrator and leadership, but like 8 or 9 or 10 calls had to be run by other counties or private services. That's 8, 10 calls of revenue where we would have transported and got money for that. We never had to justify that ambulance again. We were approved in the budget this year. So now we're in the process of hiring 6 new personnel to staff that ambulance we've been trying to get for years. We have access to call Aladtec 24/7. If you call most any company, you either get somebody at the front desk or an answering machine, automated, please push this number. When you call Aladtec, their IT department is the first person that answers the phone. So if you got a problem, that's who they want you to talk to. And any issue, we've had issues as far as learning curves, they've solved them very quickly. Very impressed. There is an area in Aladtec that allows for us to put all of our policies and procedures, and any updates can be immediately loaded into it. And our training captain can go in there and set up a little section that when an employee logs on to Aladtec, they've got to check a box saying, I've read this policy and I'm aware of it before they can do anything else in Aladtec. So we know every employee has had an opportunity to follow up on that new policy or update. I wish I would have found this company years ago. They have went out of their way to make things not only easy, it's probably the most economical as far as price for what all you get of anything I've ever seen or been involved with. And their customer service is just through the roof.